So hello and welcome guys on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set environment for Python. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your any of the browser. Here I have opened my Brave browser. Just search Python. I have already searched, that's why it is showing. As you can see, the first website is python.org. You have to click here, and now you can see that this type of interface will open. Then you have to click on download button. For which platform you would you like to download, you just simply click on this. Here you are seeing that download the latest version for Windows is mentioned, so I will click on this. It will start downloading in some time. Just click on save. Yeah, you can see that it has started downloading. Now you guys can see that our Python has been downloaded. So you have to go on our download folder. As you can see that, because I have downloaded in my Python download folder, just simply double click on it. Okay, upgrade now. Here it is mentioning I have already installed Python 10 Python 3.10, and it is saying me to upgrade it to Python 3.10.5. So if you want to upgrade or customize installing, it's all depend on yours. If you have earlier version, you can upgrade. If you don't have, it will not ask you for upgrade or anything. So I will just do it my customized installation. Okay, I will check everything. File launcher, now I will leave it everything as a default. So I will click it next. Yeah, you can see it will just take few of seconds and it will install. So now you can see that our Python is already installed. So now go to our Python folder and set the environment. So just close it. Now let's move toward our file manager. You simply click on it and just go on our C drive, and we will go to users, and I have downloaded it for my own profile. That's why I will click on my name. Then we have to find app data. Yes, here you can see that. Just simply click on that, and now on the local, just simply double click on it and just scroll it, and at the end you will find programs folder. Just simply double click on it. Now just click on Python and just double click on it, and you have to just click here and just copy this path and just click on your Windows option, search for environment variable. Like here you can see that, just simply open it. After opening, you will find this kind of interface, and you have to click on environment variables. Then you have to choose path, then click on edit, then you have to go new, and you have to simply paste it. Now our path is added to our environment. So just simply click on OK and OK, and then after all you have to restart your PC, so it will start working. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please do share with your friend, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys, and just meet into our next videos, and don't forget to subscribe.